Hey guys, I want to come on here and do a quick video of a problem that I see way too often, at the house. People have with machines. It's very common and it's a quick hack. So mainly it happens with these flatbed embroidery machines. I see it a lot. I see it a lot with home sewing machines, and it's something so obvious that people overlook it. What happens is this screw for the presser foot will come loose, and once that screw for the presser foot comes loose, this foot will wobble around. And then what happens is this needle will come down and strike the foot, whether it's the inside, the back side. You have to remember this foot is on top of your fabric, so there's a little pressure. It's designed to hop up and down when the needle is going up and down. When that foot drops, the needle is dropped. When the needle comes back up, the foot will raise up. So there's a lot of vibration on this foot. So every bobbin that you change in your machine, you should reach over here and tighten this screw. You don't have to get a crowbar out and get a torque wrench and tighten it down. Just make sure it's good and snug. A lot of them have thumb screws with a slot in it. So I always put my little angled screwdriver or my little washer that looks like a screwdriver. You can use a quarter and give just a little snug on that screw every time you change a bobbin. That will help you tremendously. You won't have near the problems that you've been having with the foot coming loose, breaking needles, and so forth and so on. So then, if you have a problem with your machine nesting, shredding the thread, ripping the thread looping on top, you can take this foot off, and what I want you to do is check inside here. It is very problematic to have little burrs and hangnails and all kinds of stuff inside here. This needle passes through here, and if that foot gets a little loose, it is going to hit this presser foot and make a mark on it. And you can either clean it up with a little jewelry file or emery board or something like that, or have a spare foot on hand. But make sure you check that whenever you go through one of these machines and you're trying to troubleshoot it. It's very common to have little burrs and hangnails on the inside of this foot just from needles going down and striking that foot. It's very common. I've seen this whole presser bar here get bent before. The foot came loose, the needle hit the front of the foot and shoved the whole bar back. So I have seen some very tragic repairs come into the shop just because of this one little screw that got loose. You get the machine out of the box, you put the W foot on there, you start embroidering, you never think about tightening this screw again. But I'm telling you, every bobbin you should check this screw and give it a little snug twist to make sure it is good and tight. So of course, always change your needle about every 3 bobbins. That's what the manufacturer recommends. Don't wait till the needle breaks or you're having issues. If you change this needle every 3 bobbins, you won't have issues. So that is a good tip to check on things with this presser foot and the inside here. And I've got another video that talks about inside this plate and how to remove this plate and check what's going on there. So thank you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video.